So today we are talking about optimization of the SEO and finally finish the third SEO tip here. So hopefully you're doing search engine optimization in all three different steps. Today, hopefully you learn more about optimization. So the main thing with SEO is that you're doing it daily and you're understanding what to do in optimization. So number one is your alt text and metadata. I know it sounds a little nerdy, but it's actually just more descriptive words, some coding if you can. Mainly just is everything tagged and labeled on your website, or all your images, text, everything just labeled under the keywords in your niche, and are they keywords that you can rank on. Brings up number two, make sure that your images and your text are keyword heavy. Then that brings up three, make sure that you're auditing and updating every day. Make sure that you are changing up your images, keywords. Make sure that you're using stuff that you can actually rank in. If I just typed in SEO, I'm probably not the first one because it's so saturated. And I will reach out to you. If you're not doing it, I can help you. If not, I can teach you once again at austinceo.com/SEO. Also, if you haven't checked out the first two, search and engine, go check out those as well. So yeah, make sure that you're doing all three steps, and make sure that if you're not doing it, you're hiring someone to do it for you, because this is crucial. This is why you make a website, so it can be found. And yeah, reach out if you need any help.